Okay guys, today pretty much marks the start of my custom trophy truck build. Well, somewhat custom, because I'm going to use mostly slash two-wheel drive stuff. Basically, I'm just going to cut this and then work from there with wood and metal and nail brackets and whatever's needed. Planning on mounting the tranny somewhere around here once I get everything cut. So today's day one, and really all I want to do is just get the chassis cut. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut that. Hopefully everything goes smooth, and I'll get right back. Hey guys, I just cut the chassis basically directly in half. It's a little slanted. I'm going to smooth that out in a second. And basically I'm going to plan on mounting the transmission somewhere around there. Most of the electronics over there, and then obviously something's going to have to go over here. And on the brackets that come up and go out for the suspension, I'm gonna try to make a slot like in the tray on the front of it for the battery to sit in, so that way the weight is semi-evened out. And then so basically that's pretty much it for day one. I just cut it with the little hacksaw, is what it's called, and then actually cut through it like it was nothing. So that's basically it for day one, and day two is probably just going to be mounting the transmission. And if I do mount it before day two, then I will just take a video and tell y'all. And it's not going to be like literally Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, day one, day two, day three, because I have other things to do. So yeah, just stay updated. I'll try to update y'all. Sorry that there's not much light, but that's guess that's it. So I'll get back to y'all as soon as I can.